A is for alligator, snapping away. B is for bear, joining the parade. C is for cat with a playful purr. D is for dog with a wagging fur. Come one, come all, it's the alphabet animals parade, marching together in a joyful escapade. Learning our letters, the fun never fades. It's the alphabet animals parade. E is for elephant with a trumpet so loud. F is for fox, sneaky and proud. G is for giraffe, reaching up high. H is for hippo, splashing nearby. Come one, come all, it's the alphabet animals parade, marching together in a joyful escapade. Learning our letters, the fun never fades. It's the alphabet animals parade. I is for iguana, crawling so slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, bouncing with glee. L is for lion, the king we all see. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for newt, crawling on the ground. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Come one, come all, it's the alphabet animals parade, marching together in a joyful escapade. Learning our letters, the fun never fades. It's the alphabet animals parade. Q is for quail, tiny and sweet. R is for rabbit with hopping feet. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger with a roar to the sky. U is for urchin, under the sea. V is for vulture, soaring so free. W is for whale, the biggest of all. X is for x-ray fish, swimming so small. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes that float. The letters are done, but let's shout hooray for the alphabet animals parade. Come one, come all, it's the alphabet animals parade, marching together in a joyful escapade. Learning our letters, the fun never fades. It's the alphabet animals parade. Come one, come all, it's the alphabet animals parade, learning the alphabet with animal friends. From A to Z, it's always the same. The alphabet animals parade.